Yo! Another day, another job, mga boss idol. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano, how to set up the AML computer for GR1000 Excel. Yan, mga boss idol. How to set up AML for GR1000. First, just on the PTO. Now it's already setting. $10.0 tan. Ito lang. Press this counterweight 10.0 tons and then okay. And then go to the jack symbol. Press 1 and then you see. Yan, hindi siya buo kasi ang ating outrigger ay hindi nakalabas. Kaya dito lang yung mga black na yan, nakikita nyo yung mga mark na yan because hindi tayo naka-extended ang outrigger. Yan, meron kasing mga ano yan, merong mga sensor tayo. Sa apat na yan, meron tayong tinatawag na potentiometer dyan, detector for outrigger. Kaya nadedetect niya if the outrigger is already extended or retract. Ngayon naka-retract tayo position. Ayan yung ating mga outrigger. Kaya yan ang mga arrow na nakalitaw, makamark siya. Hindi siya naka-extend. So, okay. Yan, nakita nyo? Nag-set na siya. Tapos, ito naman ang swing lock. Electrical to, electrical swing lock. Yan. Tapos, pag magpapalit tayo ng ribbing, ngayon naka 8 part line tayo. Ayun, naka 8 part line tayo sa main hook. So, if you want to change this one, just press this symbol. Then see 8. Ngayon, kung gusto mong 10, gusto mong 6, whatever you want. So, we need to push this one. If 6, and then okay. But if you put in 10 part line, should be press this one and then add 7, 8, 9, 10. But now, we had 8 part line only, so we put in 8. And then okay. Now, how to change the auxiliary and to the main hook. We need to press this one. And then you see, now it's main hook. You're using the main hook. So we need to press F4. See, now the auxiliary. And then okay. And then if you want to use the mode 1 and the mode 2. This the mode 2 and this the mode 1. Mean to say the mode 1, the first boom. If you press this one, you see the telescopic, it will out the 3 section. If you select this mode 2. For example, I will okay because I using the mode 1. Now, you see, change, right? Changing the maximum tons, become 6.6 only because we using the auxiliary. Once you use the main hook, for example, see, maximum only 6.6 tons capacity. And then if you want to back to main hook, just press this one. And then press 3 and then you see this symbol. Then okay. And then you use the mode 1. Okay. And then see this one. It will change. See? Now 19.3 capacity now. Maximum tons for this crane. This position. You can lift 19.3 ton. Metric ton. Okay mga boss idol. And then what else? Also this one, should be check always this one. Sometime they put on the lock position. Should be this one, no lights up. Once this one lights up, you cannot boom raise, boom up. If this one coming lights up, you cannot boom down. So should be always, you check this one, should be no lights up on this one, no light. Walang ilaw. See, blackout. And then for the swing, for example, the swing, you want to see the swing left and right, you can press this one. See, now 1.0 degree, 4.9 meters the radius from the hook. This the boom length reading. This the ribbing of the wire rope, the cable. You have 8-part line, and then the boom length is 11.0. Should be this one 12.0 for GR1000 XL. That's 2. This the angle 21.7. This the angle, and this the radius 9.3 meters from the bindle of the crane center. Okay, setting for AML GR1000 XL. We have GR750, all AML same. This one same setup, it's the same setup. Then this the outrigger selector. Extend, retract, neutral, beam, jack. Ituturo ko sa inyo yan sa sunod nating itong sa function naman sa outrigger. Pag-extend, pag-retract ng mga outrigger jack, tsaka outrigger beam.